guys, this is Ryan, and I'm here to bring you Lymba's latest product on intelligent document processing. This product has two main functions: document classification and information extraction. What you're seeing is the user interface that I'll use for the demonstration. As you can see, this is a bare bones user interface. The idea is that the customer will integrate this product with their existing system via a REST API. In the following, I'll use three types of documents to demonstrate our product. They are lease-related documents, emails, and HR policies. Let me first demonstrate the system using lease-related documents. So from the Choose a File section, we can upload a file by clicking Browse Files. I'll use this lease agreement as an example. Now click Open. So now on the left side, you can view this contract by pages in the Document Preview section. Currently, it's showing the first page. You can click the down arrow button to view the next page. On the right side, there are two options that you can choose from. The first option is Classify Documents. The second option is Extract Named Entities. Let's first look into the classification option. This option will not only identify the document to be a lease-related document, but also further classify that document into four subtypes. The subtypes are lease agreements, amendments, financial documents, and correspondence. Let me first use the lease agreement document that I just uploaded to illustrate. To see the type of this document, click Classify Documents. Once the pipeline is finished running, you can see the classification result shown here. We can see it outputs the type lease agreement, which is a correct class for this document. To extract information, click the Extract Named Entities button. The strength of IDP is that it's able to gather key information from thousands of documents in a short amount of time. This can be embedded in a client's existing infrastructure to power downstream applications. So here on the right-hand side, we can see there are several entities shown in a JSON format. We can see here the commencement date, the tenant, the rent, landlord, square footage, expiration date, and property address. Now let's look at another type of document: lease amendments. Again, we'll need to upload a document here. Click the Classify Documents button. Now we can see it says Lease Amendments, which is also correct. Let's now upload a lease correspondence. A lease correspondence is a written correspondence between parties of the lease agreement in the form of letters. We can see the result is lease correspondence, which is correct. Let's now look at the last type for lease-related documents, which is related financial statements. This class covers documents containing financial information related to a lease agreement, such as a ledger containing entries for rent payment, a statement showing a history of expenses. Now we can see it says Financial Ledger, which is correct for this document. Now that we've seen how the system can classify lease-related documents and extract key information for the lease agreement, in the following I'll show how the system can classify and extract information from two other types of documents: emails and HR policies. Let's first look at emails. Again, we upload an email in the Choose a File section. Now on the left side, we can view the email by pages in the Document Preview section. Let's first click the Classify Documents button to get the class for the uploaded document. We can see that the output is email, which is the right classification. Now let's extract information from this email. So again, on the right-hand side, we can see that several named entities are extracted from the email. Let's go through the entity list and see the source material that formed this data. We have the subject, the sender, the recipient, the CC recipient, date, greeting, the message body, action items, the tone of the writing, the topic of the email, and the sender's signature, including phone numbers, addresses, titles, and company. Now let's look at the last type of document for today, HR policy. I'll upload this employee handbook we can analyze. On the left-hand side, you can see the HR policy in the Document Preview section. Let's first see the classification for this document. We can see that once again, we get the correct classification, which is HR policy. Now let's extract information from this HR policy. Once the pipeline is finished, we'll see a variety of data available for analysis with this document. We're now able to see a list of holidays offered, the weeks and months granted for family medical leave, along with minimum required hours to be eligible, employee contribution to the retirement plan, list of retirement plans, the employer's name, the employer's contribution to the retirement plan, when payday is, and the time of service required for joining the retirement plan. Okay, now I've shown all the features of Lymba's latest intelligent document processing product. We can see that using this product, we can get the class and key information from a document. Importantly, we can customize based on your need. We can customize the types of documents you want to classify, and also customize what can be extracted from a particular document. If you're interested in this product or have any questions, please contact us today.